Living lovely, just lovely. I wanna be with you, ay. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you, ay. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Me, just love me. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still?
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it.
Got by 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. 500 for your fucking hair, 200 for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. Girl, I got you another dress, so bring your ass up down them stairs. I buy you shit because you wear it, impressed because you know I care. But you know you love it here, that's why you keep on coming there. Your nigga can't compete, I swear. He tried but now he look too weird, baby. I'll come and slide by 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. 500 for your fucking hair, 200 for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair.
Y'all, look at my edges. Those of you who didn't know, I did have in knotless braids. I posted a video on my channel. They was real cute. They was cute, but look at my edges, y'all. Like, look at my edges. Now I gotta try to regrow this back. And the same thing happened with a girl that I work with. She had the same style and went to the same place, and the same thing happened to her too. I'm really disappointed, y'all, for real. But I'm running a little behind, so I'm gonna just speed up this blow drying process, and then y'all gonna see me at my appointment.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause a thing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus?
When I said I used to grab and go, this is what I meant. I used to go get a little basket and just go, but I want to actually try to put some effort in it this time, y'all. So I did find some stuff at Walmart, but they didn't have some of the stuff that I was looking for, so I ended up going to Target too. So right now you guys are going to see me at Walmart, and I'll show you what I got from here, and then you'll see me going to Target.
Can you focus on me?
have so many little toys out here that I don't even know what to choose from. And I feel like, do y'all remember this? Like, as a kid, like, why are they trying to bring back all of our stuff we used to play with? I love that for them. I don't know. It's like so many things to choose from.
Me, can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus?
Y'all, sorry, I gotta do a voiceover. I didn't realize how loud the music in the store was playing. But, so I was just letting you guys know that this was the selection they had for the pajamas, and that I'm probably going to be, like I said earlier, going to Target or somewhere else to look for pajamas because they really didn't have much here. I did end up finding this right here, though, for Jason. But other than that, yeah, for my other two, for Jeremiah and Josiah, I was gonna have to be going somewhere else.
Can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
Okay, guys, we are at Target now. Let's see. Hopefully, they got some better pajamas here.
Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been really fed up. Wish you would just focus on.
This texture was so soft, y'all, and Josiah loves dinosaurs, so I definitely got this for him. And it just feels so comfortable. I wish I had some pajamas that felt like this.
Me, can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy or broke, know we get this money, so I get.
So I still need to find something for Jeremiah. But I feel like, say the stuff I do like, they don't have his size. And then some of these characters, like, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna do this one for Jeremiah. And it kind of it comes with some shorts too, and pants. It's a 3-piece.
Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
So, these are the baskets that I picked out. I'm about to write their name on it. I was going to try to be a little bit more creative and do like bubble letters or something, but I feel like I'm going to mess that up. So, I'm just going to write their names like right across here. Yeah, you can barely see that. But hopefully when I put the stuff in it, it makes it pop more.
I wanna see.
Yeah, you got it. I'm the hottest around. They'll know it when they see you rolling them polars around me.
Got a soul.
With the top down, feeling the sounds quaking and vibrating your thighs. Riding hard, the guys with the chrome wheels at the bottom, white leather inside. When the lanes be spitting at you, tell them don't even try it. To shoot at Michelle and kick it with Kelly, you holler at me. You gotta be cheated, you ain't gotta be.
Boys that be in the legs leaning, open them up, they grill gleaming, candy paint, keep that whip cleaning. They always be taking that country slang. Beat that beat in the back beating. I see so low from that chiefin'. I love how he keep my body screaming. A rude boy that's good to me, the street credibility. This ain't you. I ain't checking for one, better be street. If you're looking at me, I need a soldier. Let me say to stand up for me. Only carry phone popping out.